Many of us are using Google Translate on their daily passes, so how about using Google Translate and earning money? In today's video, I will show you how you can literally earn $10, $15, or even $50 every 20 minutes, and that's just by using Google Translate. This approach is now fully free, and it will operate globally. The greatest thing is that the website we'll be using will pay us money on a daily basis. So certainly you may earn money now and receive it tomorrow. And the least amount payment is only for $1. Let us get started. To begin, open Google and look for Google Translate. In simple terms, using Google Translate can let you make from $10 to $50 every 20 minutes. Hence, in 1 hour, you can earn as much as $250 simply by following what I'm about to show you in the next few seconds, and all of that is for free. Let's begin by going to Google. Translate. All you have to do is type whatever you want into this box, and it is going to be translated into whatever language you select. I'm translating the Dutch language over here, as you can see. If I type a sentence here in English, let's type earn money with money flow for example, it will automatically be translated into Dutch. Thus, now that you understand how to utilize Google Translate, let's proceed on to a different website. For example, that one you can see right here, cpagrip.com. Now go up here and click on that register button. It will send you to this page so that you can fill all required information. The required field that shows that small red star at the corner, such as your first name, last name, street address, country, city, email, password, and much more. But before finishing your registration, make sure that for the publisher type, you will be choosing GPT or website incent, because only in this way they will approve your registration. After that, where did you hear about us? Type here that you came from a YouTube video, and so far we are done with the registration process. But before we get started with today's video, subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online by MoneyFlow with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be the first one using the method and earning a good amount of money by new and easy tutorials. And in today's video, we will be using 3 websites. Let's start with the first website here where we have done our account. Now easily we're going to log into the account. When it opens, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, there are a lot of people making hundreds and thousands of dollars like this one, or this one, and a lot more than that as you can see on cpagrip dashboard. You can tell that this is a legitimate network since it will pay you a great amount of money. Everything you need to do now is go ahead to the payment center, which is on the left side of the web page. You can see this page when you register with your account. It will show you all the payments details as these ones right here, all-time earnings, total paid, pending balance, and minimum payment. By the way, by using this method, you will make some extra money through this community, but it will not be our primary source of revenue. So all we have to do now is knowing how to begin with cpagrip. So what we're doing now is choosing the offer tools and then click on my offers. Hold on, now before I show you how this works, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel. Then pick a CPA offer from one of these top countries from Europe that doesn't really understand English and have a slightly larger reward on cpagrip. After that, you may choose from any of these CPA offerings as an example. I'll be showing you how to achieve this for the Netherlands, and if I made it, it's possible for you to do it too. So you could only select one of these many different CPA offers. Now for example, we can go for that one right here, iPhone 14 offer. Currently, assure that you have chosen mobile offers because the traffic source we'll be using is for mobile devices. For this one, I know specifically that it is a mobile offer, and you will be paid $1.71 for each submission. Basically, this is in addition to the $10 fee or up to $50, $50 for every 15 minutes technique. So all you have to do is simply copying your affiliate link right here so that it will be your special link. Now for the next stage, you must go to this web page, which is going to pay you this amount even if you don't generate any sales, CPA commissions, or anything else. Now this website is known as shortyearn.com. Let's take a look at these examples here. If you are collecting views from Greenland, you will be paid $5, views from Iceland, you will be paid $30, and so on, and you can check them out later. The best part is that the traffic source that I'm going to show you how it works for all the countries out there, so you can easily get paid a good amount of money if you're going to do exactly what I'm going to show you right now. Simply go to shortyearn.com and create a new account. Afterwards, this is how the dashboard is going to appear after you log in. This is how the dashboard will look like since it's a new account. So of course we won't be having any payments until we start applying the steps you are seeing in this video. As you can see here in these squares, starting with total views, total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. Now for the following step, click on New Shortened Link over here and paste your CPA Grip affiliate link right here. Then, for the alias, keep it as basic as possible. For our example, we can write Gift iPhone 14. Be sure that no expiration date is entered. After that, simply select Shorten, and this will be your abbreviated URL. Now, if we're going to transmit traffic from the Netherlands, as you can see over here, we need to apply the following. We'll get paid $10 each minute for this traffic. So let me show you how to do it for the Netherlands. But first, keep watching till the end, because we are going to see the third and last website you need to know so you can get your money on a daily basis. All the websites we used in today's video, you can find them down in the description. However, the same explanation may be applied to any of these countries. Simply copy this URL before proceeding to the next website, which is the one shown right here, publisher.linkvertise.com. This site functions similarly to a link shortener, but it will also advertise your link on its search engine at the same time. So in basic terms, it's a done-for-you traffic source. So simply browse to publisher.linkvertise.com and register for a free account. Once you log in, you'll see something like this. I've already made my account easily, and it just took me a few seconds. Now for the next step, simply click on Create a Link right from here, paste the shortened URL from ShortyEarn, and then hit on this button right here. And then copy the headline of the CPA offer and paste it right here to ensure it fits the characters, then click Check here to confirm. In the link title, copy and paste the CPA offer's headline into the link title once again. However, as you can see, your submitted content is too short. At least 40 characters are required to proceed. And finally, the thing we mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is when Google Translate comes in to rescue. So I'll just type whatever comes to my mind. Let's say, for example, grab and win your iPhone 14. Now sign up for free and immediately Google Translate will do the rest. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. As a result, it will be authorized. Again, we need at least 100 characters for the link description in order to proceed. So once again, I will basically write the same sentences, but I will make it at least 100 characters long. The words will then be translated for me by Google Translate. I'm just going to copy and paste this here. Then choose a FAQ you prefer. For me, I will put these and lastly upload an image related to the product. In this case, it's the iPhone 14. And then you can see here how our search result will appear. And this is our advertisement that will be directly published on their own search engine. As you can see, here is the image we just posted, which is in the Dutch language. So we're going to receive some Dutch traffic. You can put the link to this video if you'd like to. Thanks at the moment. Then to proceed to the next page, click Next. That's all there is to do. Now, if someone clicks on the link, you'll be paid by Linkvertise, and you'll also be paid right here on ShortyEarn. In addition, CPA Grip will pay you extra money in CPA. Don't forget to choose your payment method. You will find it in the payment center on the left side of the site. If you don't have any of these methods, I strongly recommend you to go and sign up for PayPal, and then come back and enter your PayPal information. Give it a thumbs, turn on your notifications, and share it with your friends if they are interested about making money online fast and easy. Watch this video. If you want to make more money from another website by only listening to music and downloading it, then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.